Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Special Ed Hub. Today, we'll talk about the RPWD Act 2016, a crucial law that protects the rights of Divyangjan, persons with disabilities, in India. Stay tuned to learn about its key features and why it's important. What is the RPWD Act 2016? The Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 was enacted to replace the old PWD Act 1995 and bring India in line with the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, UNCRPD. It expands the rights, benefits, and legal protections for Divyangjan. Key features of the Act. Increased disability categories. The Act recognizes 21 types of disabilities, including autism, intellectual disability, thalassemia, and more. Reservation in education jobs. 4% reservation in government jobs and 5% in higher education institutions. Protection from discrimination. No one can deny education, employment, or health care based on disability. Free education. Children with benchmark disabilities, 40% or more, have the right to free education up to the age of 18. Accessibility rights. Government and private establishments must ensure barrier-free access in buildings, transport, and digital services. Stronger legal protection, stricter penalties for violations, and the right to seek justice through special courts. Why is this act important? This law empowers Divyangjan by ensuring equal opportunities, dignity, and independence. It promotes inclusion in society, making workplaces, schools, and public spaces more accessible for all. Conclusion. Call to action. The RPWD Act 2016 is a big step towards an inclusive India. Let's spread awareness and ensure its proper implementation. Like, share, and comment if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more such content. See you in the next